Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Mississippi Dashin'. So today is July 21st. I haven't been doing any gig work for the last 2 weeks. I've been super busy. Summertime, we have birthdays, a lot of artwork and stuff, and I've been doing a little vacationing. So let me get back to you and update you a little bit about what we're doing. It is Monday, and I just finished my first order, a little over $22. I'm headed to a house right now to make that delivery. I've got all this stuff in the back here. And yeah, we're popping off on Monday, trying to get my daily like 40. So let's head out and get one or two orders. I'm going to talk to you about what's going on in my life, and then kind of like what the goal is for the next 2 weeks while I have a window open to the end of July, starting out the next month. All right, let's go. So this weekend was super busy. I was on the coast of Mississippi and in Louisiana, in New Orleans, doing a couple of things. I had to take down 3 pieces of work that I finished in the last year to a gallery in New Orleans. I'm really excited about that. There's a juried competition coming up in 2 weeks, and opening night is on the 2nd of August, and it's from 5 to 9. If anybody's in New Orleans, stop at Lemire Gallery and I will be there. Come on in, I'll show you some work, and maybe we can meet some other artists. Cool. The other thing that happened was I went down to the coast and decided to go kayaking. There's an island off the coast of Biloxi, Mississippi, called Deer Island, and I wanted to head down there and go visit it. I'd never been out there. It's been in my head to go out there for a while, and man, it was so awesome. No one was out there. It's like a wildlife preserve or a state park. Anyway, I pulled in, went to the other side of the island, and then it was like a mile of beach alone because nobody was kayaking out there or boating out there. So that was a lot of fun. And now I'm back in town and we're starting the week up, and I'm excited to be back, well rested and ready to go. The last 2 weeks though have been really busy. I've had a lot of artwork in the last couple of weeks that I've sold. A couple of paintings. I was commissioned to do a couple of antebellum homes here in town, and that was a lot of fun. Those are going to be hanging in some homes that are well over 200 years old. That's really cool. And then we had birthdays. So Corey had her birthday, I had mine, and I spent a lot of that time in and out of the house doing like kind of adventurous things out and about, hiking and kayaking and other things. So anyway, but it's been a really great month, and I'm excited to get back into the gear of things where we're doing a lot more gig work, and I have something kind of in the mix and something I'm thinking of doing in the future. You know, gig work has always been a stepping stone towards something that I want to do more of, and we'll talk about that after I finish this order. Okay team, so we've arrived at the house, so let's grab our large stuff, deliver it to the door, and then I'll come back to the car. Put you in. Nice. Okay. All right, so that was the first delivery of today. This is pretty neat. This house has I don't know if I'm even filming that right now, but they have a baseball field in their backyard. It looks like they set it up as like a field for the neighborhood, maybe? I don't know, but it definitely belongs to this house. That's pretty cool. They've got banners on it and everything. I wonder if they have like a little league back here. That's super cool. We're getting back in the truck, and I actually got another order for a little over $18 going 3 miles. It's a shop and deliver for 29 items. I am headed back to Walmart right now. We're gonna grab that one for our next one, and then I may just call it a day with those 2 orders. That'll put me at a good number for the afternoon, so nice. All right, so while we're here at a red light, kind of working our way back to Walmart, I kind of wanted to share a little info with you guys on some of the things that I'm interested in doing. So I push a lot of things outside of gig work. I have a regular day job where I'm a stone fabricator, and I polish countertops that go into businesses and residential homes, things like that. And then, of course, I do artwork. Artwork is my passion. It is my hobby. It's something that I love to do any chance that I get. I love to be creative. I like filming videos. I like painting, drawing, that kind of stuff. Well, one of the reasons that I got this truck to begin with was that I had the idea of maybe starting my own business someday. And I love doing deliveries. I think gig work is a great starting point, an entrance, an open door for anyone and everyone out there if they want to start making a little extra money outside of their 9 to 5. And for me, it's been a blessing. It's helped pay the bills. It's helped save some money. It's done a lot of things for my family, and I've really enjoyed building on top of it, what with a really fun YouTube channel and making relationships with other people around me that are doing gig work. It's a lot of fun. But something I've really been interested in doing is going beyond that, learning a skill of something that could pay me, you know, 2, 3, maybe 4 times as much as I make with my day job and or with gig work. And I think one of the ways I can do that is with a pickup truck. So one of the things I'm thinking of doing is buying a trailer. So it'll be maybe a 5x8, maybe an 8x10. I don't know how big a trailer I'm gonna buy, it just depends. But as a starting point, I'm gonna use that to build a small business outside of what I do with my day job. And that's what I'll end up transitioning into. Of course, I'm gonna do gig work as long as it's available to me in my spare time and other times, but I think I wanna start a small business, maybe doing junk removal. It's an idea I've tossed around quite a bit in the past, and it's something that I may bring up at my workplace. They're very flexible, they'll work with me in the things that I'm doing. And yeah, I think I'd be interested in doing that. If you've got any info on that or do that in your area, let me know. But I know that there's a need for that in mine, and I live near a college town and a lot of residential areas that are being built. And I think through my connections as a stone fabricator doing installations and other things in homes, I could really get to know maybe some contractors or some realtors that would be willing to take a chance on me getting gig work through my trailer. So that's where I'm headed, and that's what I'm thinking. But you know, right now we're just focused on this Monday, and I got to get this order done. So let's go get this order. All right, team. Okay, had to make a lot of substitutions in that order. Person ordered a lot of different things that I've not seen on a Walmart order before. I made some substitutions, had to put some things back in the review, so it took a little extra longer. Yeah, that doesn't make sense. It took longer than I thought it would. So I'm headed over to an apartment to deliver this. It's not actually that many items. There's a lot of frozen, I guess, what do they call it? Fruits. And then a lot of packets of seasoning and stuff. Looks like somebody was making a very large pot of tacos tonight for their family. Nice, yum yum. Okay. All right, team, that's 2 orders for the evening. Let's tally up our numbers, head to the house, and well, we're gonna call it a day. That was a decent Monday, man. Taking 2 quick orders. I've been off of work for an hour and 45 minutes. We made probably just a little over 40 bucks. So over 20 an hour, less than 2 hours. Yeah, I like it. That's some good numbers for the day. Mondays are always pretty great. Tuesday, Wednesday, it just depends. But yeah, not a bad day. Let's go home. All right, made it home. Let's head inside. It looks like the wife's home, and I'm sure the little one's here too. So let's go see what they're up to.
Look who it is. It's the Molly dog. Oh, hi, Molly dog.
Hello. How was the day? Woke up at 2, and then you've been laying in bed ever since. That's exciting. That's great. Okay. Well, good for you. I'll see you later. I want to introduce you guys to the newest member of the Stevens household. If I can pick her up. Come here. This is Gigi. She's very cute. This is my wife. So we finished at $42 in a little less than 2 hours, so that's pretty cool. And now we're home, and we're gonna spend time with the wifey boo. And you guys saw the child. She's back there, Beatrix Kiddo herself, the assassin. And yeah, it was a good Monday. I've shown Molly, my cat. It's this big one right here.
She's morbidly happy.
She likes to come over and see what I'm doing when I come home. Anyway, I hope you guys have a good week. I'll probably see you tomorrow or later. Something like that. Anyway, yeah, I'll see you in the next one.